Okay, there's Marvin and Mavis. And look at the waterfall. This is the lower stream waterfall. Major flow difference between pre-rain and rain. The storm that passed through was very major storm for us, and high winds and lots of rain falling down from the sky. So yeah, so happy to see Marvin and Mavis here this morning.
Okay, Eurydius Ranch Road, one of our red-tailed hawks finally showed up. This is Sunday, February 3rd. There he goes. Can I follow? And off into the distance he went.
And this is the upper waterfall of the stream. It too is much more massive and flowing strong post-rainstorm.
Okay, one of Kathy's blue jays has showed up on our return trip.
And the little Cooper's hawk that we find in this area often is in a tree near on Kennedy, near Temple. He's got his back to us. Let's see if we can go around and get the front of. Okay, and once again, the Cooper's hawk.
It's a little hawk.
Is there? Oh, yeah, I see that.
Little Cooper's hawk.
It's not the red one, right?
No. Red one is about this tall. That's a Cooper's hawk. If you want to go look over her shoulder, you can see it on the monitor on the camera sheet.
Behind
Yep.
Looks like a man.
Yep.
It's amazing. These are all, these are Nevada. Not too many birds there, but. Oh, okay, this one.
There we go.
Curious to see what's in the rock. And I could see branches of trees or the shrubs, let's say. And I went up and up and up, and it looked very beautiful. Then I saw this bird sitting here. And I got as close as I could. And I took a shot, and I was focusing on him as he starts.